Hello everyone, I welcome you all on behalf of Coder Lab to this session on AZ204 developing solutions for Microsoft Azure. There are lots of things that we are going to discuss today. Alright, so let's see what we are going to cover today. Welcome to Developing Solutions for Microsoft Azure course. This course teaches developers how to create a solution that are hosted in and utilize Azure services. This course is for Azure developers. They design and build cloud solutions such as applications and services. They participate in all phases of development, from solution design to development and deployment to testing and maintenance. They partner with cloud solution architects, cloud DBAs, cloud administrator, and clients to implement the solution. This course assumes you have already acquired the following skills and experience: at least 1 year of experience developing scalable solutions through all phases of software development. Be skilled in at least one cloud supported programming language. Much of the course focuses on C#, .NET Framework, HTML, and using REST in applications. Have a base understanding of Azure and cloud concept, services, and the Azure portal. If you need to ramp up, you can start with Azure Fundamentals course, which is freely available. Are familiar with PowerShell or Azure CLI. This course presents more CLI example overall than PowerShell. Certification exam preparation. This course help you prepare for the AZ204 developing solution for Microsoft Azure certification exam. AZ204 includes 5 study areas as shown in the table. The percentage indicate the relative weight of each area on the exam. The higher the percentage, the more questions you are likely to see in that area. The relative weightings are subject to change. For latest information, visit the exam page and review the skills measured section mentioned in below of this video and description section. Passing the exam will earn you the Microsoft Certified Azure Developer Associate certification. The modules in the course are mapped to the objective listed in each study area on the skills measured section of the exam page to make it easier for you to focus on area of the exam you choose to revisit. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet in our next video or our first module, Create Azure App Service Web Apps.